All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. As you can tell, we're going to be talking about everything Solana. So without further ado, let's take a look at what's happening with the price of Sol. Thank you to each and every one of you guys from the Solana community for showing tremendous amount of love. I just cannot thank you enough. Looking at the overall markets, we are seeing quite a bit of red across the board. I'm sure no one really needs an introduction if you are in the crypto space right now. And I did update the community as well with a video, which was a few hours back, and I kind of indicated as to what's going on, but we're going to focus specifically about Sol, see what is happening, because there was a meme coin frenzy yesterday. We got Andrew Tate involved. Some crazy stuff was going on, and honestly some people went and made massive amounts of gains, and this is where this meme coin hype factor really comes into play, even though it's extremely risky. But some people turned $100 into a bunch of thousands of dollars. But again, this is not going to happen with everything, and I hope you guys understand this. I hope you guys are doing your due diligence and research, as I've always said, and really understand what a meme coin market really is and how much risk there is with that. But let's take a look at what's happening with Sol. It's down about 5%, with the price currently sitting at $163.44, down 5% in USD and about 2.8% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at $75.26 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at about $3.14 billion. So as far as the market cap goes, it's no secret at this point that we are seeing a market cap going down, and so is the entire market. But before we continue, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So we're going to start off with the Solana total value locked, about $4.6 billion. Of course, this number has gone down a little bit. We did see this pullback for the entire market, and of course it is going to affect the Solana total DeFi as well. But let's take a look at what are some of the news for today. So you can see Solana continues to dominate Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all other layer ones in daily transactions. Solana transactions breakdown: voted transactions at 111 million plus, and non-voted transactions at 33 million plus. And again, should not be coming as a surprise at all to anyone at this point. And you can see this for yourself. This is what really got things rolling as far as the meme coins are concerned. Andrew Tate burnt $37 million worth of Solana meme coins he received for free from fans. So this is what happened. He came and he published an address, say, send me coins, and the coins that were sent to him. So basically, this is not going to happen all the time. I hope people understand this, and this is obviously gambling. I hope people understand this specific example is nothing more to it except it's gambling. So basically what happened was, he published his address, and he was asking fans to send coins. And what some developers did, they came out, launched a coin, and sent him massive chunks of the supply. And what some of these speculators did was, the supplies with a lot of percentage that was sent to him, some of these people were speculating on those specific coins and adding them on their portfolio. And the following day after, this guy comes out and burns all of them. So the coins that were burned in a massive amounts, and the people that were accumulating it prior to the burn made instant. We're talking instant 10x's. Well, so some people made some great funds, and this will bring in a lot of scams too. And as I've said to you guys before in the comments down below, as my channel is growing, I cannot control it at this point. I don't want to lock my comments, because I want to see you guys engage. But just a quick reminder for everyone that all these spam comments are scammers, and me personally, I will never ask you guys to call me or send me crypto, or I would never be telling you guys to invest in XYZ coins, never that. So any of that is all bogus. It's all BS. If you want to contact me, there's only one way to contact me. Of course, number one is you will hear me communicate in the video, and if you want to communicate with me, it's only through email, and that email you can find in the description box below. Simple as that. Anything else is all pure scam. So let's continue. You can see this for yourself. Over 1 million active wallets interacted with Solana ecosystem in the last 24 hours. Growth 18.73%. New wallets 167,255. And a huge reason to that is the meme coin craze that is occurring once again. Let's take a look at what's happening. So the dominance did skyrocket today, literally taking it to 55.67%, causing BTC. You can see this for yourself. Bitcoin made its way all the way down to the 68.5 zone, and of course this is going to impact the market. I'm sure everyone knows this, and my personal reason behind this move, in my opinion, is because massive longs were piling up. People were starting to get bullish, and as we know, if you're an OG in the crypto space, this is a perfect example for whales to take advantage, and I think they took massive advantage of this. Shaked out a lot of weak hands, all these massive longs that were piling up, and that's part of the whales game. And this is again a quick reminder why you don't want to be leverage trading. But let's take a look at what's happening with our good old friend Solana, because it has been a very interesting last 24 hours, to be quite frank with you. So if you're looking at the price of Sol right now, it's currently sitting in the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. So you guys are probably wondering, oh well, not much has changed, and that is true. But if you're looking at this move right here for Sol, we went down. So we were pretty much chilling at $173 just, I would say, 24 hours ago. And then after, we did see this Bitcoin pullback. Remember, Bitcoin is a leading indicator. Everything is correlated with the price of Bitcoin. Everything is going to be impacted by Bitcoin's price. And, Solana is no exception. So Solana went down about 12% instantly. And you can see this for yourself. We know the significance of this level. The next pretty much level of support after losing support at around $159.68, in my opinion, is around the 150, but we do have some support around the 153 zone as well, and that's exactly where you found Solana coming down to. So it didn't even manage to retest the support at 150. We went all the way down to 153 and it got bought back up, and we're chilling back in the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. So pretty much we're back to where we left off. If I were to show you guys the hourly time frame, things will make more sense. So this wick happened pretty much with every single coin almost, and that is again due to the correlation with BTC. If you look across the board, you are starting to see a very similar pattern playing out. This wick occurred pretty much with everything, and these were bought back up very quickly. And now what you're starting to see is, as the price of Solana is trying to break back towards the upside, which it is, obviously we do have those previous resistance coming in the way, and that's where we're finding ourselves currently as of recording this update. All we need to do is get back above the 166 resistance. We know the importance of that. If we get back above there, it will feel like we had not even gone back down to that level. And again, that's only a move of about 1.85%, and I would not be surprised if we actually get past that even in the morning or after this video is uploaded. So if you were watching it and it's already there, do not be shocked. And again, this should just go and say, especially to the newcomers, I'm sure the OGs understand this, but this should really tell you why you want to stay away from leverage trading, because the amount of liquidations that occurred in the crypto space is alarming. And it's sad to say, but there are a lot of people that lost a lot of money and completely had their portfolios wiped out, and it's really, really scary. And this is why I tell you guys to stay away from leverage trading. Don't listen to these people. I'm not going to name anyone. I'm not going to name any exchanges. I'm just going to put it out there. Leverage trading is a scam in my books, and I am totally against it, and I want my viewers on the Crypto ZX channel to be against it as well. Spot trading, in my opinion, is the best, and that's about it. Again, that's my own personal opinion. Do let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.